Welcome back. Today, we're delving into the realm of beard growth, exploring the TILLARE Beard Growth Kit. As always, we promise to provide an unbiased and honest review. Let's dive right in. Behold, the TILLARE Beard Growth Kit. The packaging looks sleek and professional, and it contains all the essentials for your beard growth journey. Inside the box, we have the TILLARE Beard Growth Oil, the TILLARE Beard Growth Balm, and the TILLARE Derma Roller. The Derma Roller is an interesting addition and is said to promote better product absorption into the skin. Let's start with the Beard Growth Oil. It has a pleasant scent and feels lightweight on the skin. The blend of natural oils in this formula is designed to nourish the hair follicles and stimulate growth. Next up is the Beard Growth Balm. It's a bit thicker than the oil, but it spreads easily. The balm is meant to condition and style your beard, giving it a neat and well-groomed appearance. Now, this is the part I'm curious about, the Derma Roller. It might look intimidating, but it's painless and surprisingly gentle on the skin. The tiny needles create microchannels that supposedly aid in product absorption. Now, let's talk about the results after using the TILLARE Beard Growth Kit for a few weeks. My beard feels softer and more manageable, and I've noticed some new hairs sprouting in patchy areas. And I really recommend you to buy it from the link below. One area still needs improvement, but remember, results vary based on genetics.